Okay, so if you have this part and you want to put a plane on it, so now we have them all isolated into their own parts over here. So let's look at this one individually. We can either do it from the assembly level or we can right click and open it individually. In this case, we kind of want to get a reference of um, where it is in real space because that's what you want. So right here, that's like right at the half line. So you want it 50 millimeters up. So let's just edit this from inside the assembly by double clicking on it and look at the part. So first off, what we're going to do, look at our work features. So I'm going to create an axis on this part. Now what that does is it puts it right in the middle, so we can look at it right here. If we look at our origin, it's going to be actually based on the assembly that we made it from. Now unless you made each part individually and then pulled them together, it'll then use this as the reference for the axes. So it's not a bad thing though. We can make a plane on this line and put it at 0 degrees so it's straight to it. If you wanted to, you could do it if you do it exact angle, do a 30-degree angle, and do it from right there. In this case, we're going to do it 0, so now we have midpoint of there. Offset from our plane, you can drag it negative 150 because 400 is the part, you want it 50 up. So it depends on where you want it from. Let's see, negative 100. So 50 up here. So then create a sketch on this plane. Project cut edges. So what that does is anything cutting through that plane will be cut, and then put it onto this sketch. So if we go to our wireframe, you now see, if we look at our top view, you have that line cut through. Now you're going to have two lines because it's actually cutting through the thickness of this piece on that. That makes sense. So if we actually look at this, see, there's the two lines. Go to our rip tool. Let's turn on visibility. Select right there. So then it rips all the way through. Okay. Create a flat pattern. All right.